If they can start on March, the better. The sooner really that we can start with all this, the Senate acquiring jurisdiction over the impeachment complaint, the better it would be for the country.
Para hindi na mahati pa ang atensyon ng 20th Congress, mas mainam kung sisimulan na sa susunod na buwan ang impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ito ang posisyon ng mga kongresistang sumuporta sa ika-4 na reklamo laban sa Vice Presidente kung saan nakasaad ang 7 articles of impeachment at na-transmit na sa Senado. Ayon kay House Assistant Majority Leader, ako Bicol Party List Representative Jill Bongalon, isa sa naatasang maging House Impeachment Prosecutor. Kung sa Hulyo pa isasagawa ang impeachment trial, mahahati na ang atensyon ng mga mambabatas.
But kasi kung papatagalin pa natin, we will start the trial after the showdown of our President. Parang mawawala sa focus yung ating pong mga legislative priorities. Kasi yung Senado, they will convene as an impeachment trial court. And of course, the members of the Congress, especially the panel of the prosecutors, will be very busy in prosecuting this case.
Magkakaiba ang pananaw ng mga legal experts sa tanong kung maaaring simula ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Duterte kahit nakareses ang Kongreso. Si Rene Sarmiento na miyembro ng 1986 Constitutional Commission, iginiit na maaaring mag-convene ang Senado bilang impeachment court kahit nakabreak ang Kongreso.
The Supreme Court saying that it has not become a functus officio insofar as non-legislative function. Meaning outside of legislation, it has a continuing function. It could be convening as a canvassing board. It could even be serving as an impeachment court. As constitutionally interpreted, it means right away. It means immediately. Walang patumpik-tumpik. Walang alinlangan. Gawin kaagad.
Si Senate President Francis Chis Escudero naninindigang hindi makapag-uumpisa sa impeachment proceedings hanggat hindi nakasesyon ang Kongreso. Ganito rin ang pananaw ng ilang itinuturing na legal luminaries.
The impeachment court can only be constituted in a proper referral when the Senate is in session. If the Senate is not in session as it is today, this impeachment court cannot constitute itself.
And given that impeachment is not included as among the reasons why special session can be conducted, my conclusion is that no, impeachment proceedings or this impeachment trial cannot be conducted during recess.
Giit naman ni House Assistant Majority Leader, Tingog Party List Representative Jude Asidre, dapat gawin na ng Senado ang mandato nito batay sa isinasaad ng saligang batas. Sa gitna rin ito ng mga nakaambang kilos protesta para ipanawagan ng agarang paglilitis kay VP Duterte.
So, anong clamor pa bang hinahanap natin? Naantay ba natin magkaroon ulit ng isang EDSA or magkaroon ng rally? I don't think it's fair to the democratic process to have to wait for certain mobilizations to be able to discern the will of the people.
Naniniwala ang mga kongresista, maaaring mag-convene bilang impeachment court ang Senado kung mapagkakasunduan ito ng mayorya ng mga senador. 2 petisyon naman ang inihain sa Korte Suprema upang questionin ang legalidad ng impeachment complaint laban kay VP Duterte at hilinging ipahinto ang impeachment trial. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.